What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to Miami. We are doing a sneaker review. I just got this on maybe Friday. I hit in shock drop. Boom. I mean, how lucky was that?
Yeah.
Even crazier was, I guess on the sneakers app, they only had 13,000 total shoes. And I think in my size, there was about 1,000 or maybe 1,100.
Yeah.
So 1 out of 1,100. I can't believe the luck that I have. It's like, it is insane. I hit on this in the trophy room and the Venice Beach. And so it is insane. But anyways, I'm super excited to do this. I will tell you, I did already open it. I wrapped it back up because I'm gonna probably keep this one for dead stock. I might double up on it. Yeah, I might double up on this one. I like it. I think it's gonna be.
And how much are they to pay for another pair?
I don't know. We'll see. Right now they're about 500, but we'll see. We'll see. But I'm going to keep this one pristine, but we are going to do a review. So without further ado, let's get rolling. This is not, by the way, this is the most insane box ever.
Cactus Jack did not play around.
They went all in on the marketing side of it. Look at this bag. I mean, it is pretty sweet.
Now we don't want this piece of paper blown away because that alone is probably worth.
Exactly, I would never be able to. I'm only going to unwrap one, which I've already unwrapped before. So let's.
I think the bag is so cute. Like just to like.
It's like a canvasy, right?
Shoe. Yeah, it's like.
Yeah.
It's just cute, and I think this is a great touch, like a drawstring on the side of the bag. Like it's just not, it's your normal tote without being your normal tote. So I think that was a really, really great touch on their part.
It was definitely like a slick little thing. So let's throw the box top.
Oh, and like even like to go as far as like, I'm sure we've all seen it, but you know,
Give us the forewarning
yeah.
on the logo, on that. Oh,
it's just cute.
Here is the shoe.
Uh-oh, gotta get this in. Perfect.
All right, so this is the very first Jumpman Jack.
Jumpman Jack.
Let's say it is officially called the Jumpman Jack TR Insole, muslin, and dark mocha.
There you have it.
There you have it. That is the official. So this is a really cool sneaker. As you can see, it's sort of got I guess it's a mocha, right? Mocha color. This is like a canvas, sort of like a canvas.
Feels like the bag.
Yeah, I wonder if the material is probably the exact same. There you go. The inside is pretty sort of simple material. And then I don't want to pull out the, not sure if we'll be able to get in there or not, but the insole has got a little pattern on it with a little Jumpman, so pretty cool.
Pretty cute.
And then we'll pull this down a little bit, so you can see a little Jumpman Jordan logo, which is pretty sweet.
Yeah, I mean, I think that this shoe is for like dudes. Like I just don't see many girls wearing it, which I'm sure there will still be a ton of girls to wear it. But I think this one's for the guys.
You think so?
I love the shoe. Yes. I like the gum bottom. I like really like that.
Yeah, that is really cool.
Yeah.
And then the jack is gonna
wear off.
Yeah, it's gonna wear off with time. I think it would have been cool if they would have figured out some way to like incorporate that as a mold so that it was always there. Would have been pretty sweet.
Yeah, but I think it's just like, it's a vibe. And again, like it shows you wear your shoes. Like, I like it.
Wear your shoes. The other thing that is really interesting is this is like a little suede piece back here, which is really nice. It's got a nice touch, nice feel.
And the embroidery here is really nice.
And I think that these are supposed to come with a couple other shoelaces.
Okay.
But that's on the other shoe, and so this is not
keeping
like
that one wrapped up.
I'm keeping that one wrapped up. I couldn't wrap it, right?
No. Look it up on the internet, okay?
But anyway, I think it's a really cool, interesting sort of trainer type of shoe. It's got the strap, obviously. I've seen a lot of people wearing this around on videos.
Yeah.
With the strap sort of not laced up. Maybe it's a little tight, or maybe that's the cool way to wear it. This is also really interesting. On the front, the leather is sort of like tucked under, so it's super smooth. And, you know, it's just like an interesting shoe.
Yeah, I think my word to describe the shoe would be swaggy. I just think it's like a swaggy shoe.
Yeah?
What's yours? One word.
Swaggy? I don't know about swaggy. I would call it Jordan 1 trainer-esque.
I said one word.
That is one word. Jordan 1 trainer-esque. I'm
Okay.
combining those words. Jordan 1 trainer-esque. And with a little dunkish vibe, because it's got sort of a little like dunk
It's
sort of
just
cut to it.
swaggy to me. Like, it's just like this cool vibe. I don't know. That's how I'd explain it.
Now, what do you think? If a guy walked in and he's in the elevator, has these on, you think it's a cool vibe?
Definitely.
Like, definitely no sneakers, right? Because this is not a
just go to the
well-known
store and buy it. Yeah.
Yeah, these are, I mean, they might have been available for 5 minutes in the local stores, and then they would have sold out.
Sure.
I think that I think this one should be worn more with like a jean or with pants, as opposed to, for me, it's not like a workout. I don't foresee myself wearing this one, especially in this colorway, to the gym.
Yeah, you could, but yeah, I definitely think it's just like a out to dinner and drinks, like brunch.
Yeah, like a cool afternoon in Miami.
This shoe's going to activities. This shoe is meant for outings, you know?
Yeah. I mean, I think, you know, if you have like a sort of sail colored or beige colored pair of cargo pants, sort of loose, trendy white shirt, very like Miami vibe style, and then you throw on the Jumpman Jacks.
There you have it.
So overall, what are you going to give it rating wise?
For like the purpose of the shoe and what the shoe is, like 8.5 out of 10. My own personal opinion, which would come into play like me wearing it, which is an obvious no. So I'll go.
Wait, you wouldn't wear it if you had a pair?
I wouldn't.
What if you could get these for retail?
No.
You wouldn't pay retail?
Nope, there's other stuff.
They're not worth $200 to you, right?
They're not. To me. So the shoe itself, like, what did I say, 8.5? 8?
You're giving 8.5?
My
8?
personal, like, perspective on it, and like when it comes to me wearing it,
no.
6.5.
6.5, huh?
7.
There you go.
6.8.
Well, there are so many cute shoes that are, you know, probably would look better.
What are you giving it?
I'm gonna give it an 8.5. It's not, you know, I think it's a really nice shoe. My question on this shoe is this shoe going to stand the test of time so that it's popular? You know, like this shoe, is this shoe going to be valuable 10 years from now, or was it a fad that came in?
Right.
Right. So like Jordan 1s and the Travis Jordan 1s, those have value. You know, if you have an old pair of Jordan 1 high top Chicagos from, you know, 15 years ago, that's in a great colorway, those have value, are going to hold their value.
Yeah.
I wonder if this will hold its value or if it's just like a trend.
We'll have to see.
We will definitely have to see, but I think it's a great shoe. I think it's really cool, very funky, it's original, and you know, I hope that they don't commercialize this shoe too much and just start, you know, putting out 20 colorways a year and then like mass production. What do you think?
I agree. I think like more limited, the better. I think that with anything though, you know, that's what makes something cool.
Yeah. It's really true, right? Like you just got a pair of orange Noctas, which you love, and there aren't many of those made, so you're going to be one of the only people that has those in your colorway.
Yeah.
I mean, in your size, in your color.
Yeah.
I mean, they're going to make more shoes in different colors, but
And
you're going
not
to be
those
the only
orange.
ones with the bright orange. So yeah, I think that this one will be a really cool sneaker, and I'm wondering just long term how well it's going to do.
We shall see, and we'll see when he starts dropping more colors because there's more to come this year. So
That's true. There's another one coming out in 2 weeks, which I think is the red and black, which I think is a better colorway personally.
yeah, and just our luck, we'll be doing our review because Brian will probably hit on Shock Drop.
Yeah, let's
Shock
go.
Drop or whatever the drops are, you guys, but he'll get them. So
I hope so. I hope so. All right. Any last thoughts?
no, that's all.
All right. We're out from Miami. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you at the next episode.